Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make fillable lines on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After that, open any document. Now from here, if I type anything, just type name. After that, click on Insert tab and then click on Table. Then select a table and then make it smaller. If I make this size and then click on Table Design tab, then click on Borders option. Now from here you have to uncheck top border and then click here again, then uncheck left border, then click here again. Now you have to just uncheck right border, and that's it. Now you can see fillable line has been made successfully, and now you can type anything as you want. That's it. Also, if you want to change your line position, so just put the cursor here and then click, and that's it. You can see line position has been changed successfully. If I put it here and it's done. Also, you can resize your line. Just put the cursor here and here it is. And that is how you can make fillable lines on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.